Hi there, I'm CreativeSarah, and this is my channel. Anything that you can dream it, we can create it. Here's what I have for you today. I have this really cool club that you can be part of. It is like a crafting DIY club, and you get a monthly kit every single month. I'm gonna do a project from the club, the July design. So I'm taking the design that comes in the club, which is this one right here, Explore Your World, and I'm going to use it in a different way using some of our Chalkology ink. So we have this really cool ink that is a permanent ink that can be used on fabrics and on other things that you can heat set. And I'm going to show you how to turn this 60-cent, that's right, it was a clearance 60-cent handbag, into a fun travel companion where you can take this cool carry-on, use it. It's a pretty decent size bag. And you know, I don't know about you guys, but I am always looking around for items that are in the clearance bin at every store I go to. And I found a handful of these really cool bags for 60 cents. Clearance. These are fabric, kind of a nylon canvas mix. Maybe like I don't know, but they're able to be heat set. So you have to be able to heat them like with an iron or a heat press. And I'm gonna make something cool with it. So come along and check it out. If you would like more information to join our club, I'm happy to give that. All I need you to do is comment the word club, C-L-U-B, right in the comments, and I'll send you a message. It's as easy as that. The details are simple. I'll send them to you in a little message here on Facebook, and voila. Easy peasy. You don't have to do anything. You'll just type the word club and I will send you the info. So I am pressing this on my fabric. All I did, it's like a peel and stick sticker. I peeled it off the backer sheet, okay? I wrote the wrong word on that. It's fine. I peeled it off the backer sheet and stuck it right to my fabric. Now, what I'm going to do is take one of our ink mats, and I'm going to place it in here, and I'm going to press this down so that it sticks to the ink mat. There we go. And then I'm just going to use some of our colors. This little off-white puppy here, and a little greeny color here. This is our eucalyptus. And then some shimmery gold. Gotta love the shimmer. Now these are all inks, and they're very cool. You're gonna love this on here. And I'm gonna take squeegees. You apply the ink with a squeegee, and that is important, okay? And I'm gonna start at the top with our dune, and I'm just gonna apply it to one of the, so these little images on here are destinations. They're fun tourist destinations like the Taj Mahal. Never been, but wouldn't that be a fun trip? Absolutely. And so I'm just covering the silk screen. This design is called a silk screen. I can talk. It's a silk screen transfer. And so I'm using the ink to squeegee across the design that is cut, that is the silk screen portion. And when you do that, your design comes through the other side. And this is really cool. Like, it's a stencil, but it's a silk screen. And the reason why that is really cool is because you can get really detailed designs in a silk screen that you cannot do with a regular stencil. So follow along here and you will see me bring this design to life. So if you have a heat press, just use your heat press, press it for the amount of time, usually about 30 seconds for each setting, based on the fabric. If you're using 100% cotton, look up what your setting is for cotton and put your heat at that. If you're using a blend, it's going to be less than cotton, so you're not going to go all the way to 300 or 305. You're going to make it a little bit less. If you're using an iron, same thing. Set your iron to the heat temp for the fabric you're using. If you're using cotton, put it up to cotton. That's your highest setting. If you're using something less than that, then go down a little bit. Like if you're using a blend. Okay. Let's see how this worked. Woo! It's a little steamy here. Oh, that is good. We're gonna go ahead and flip this inside out. And we're gonna heat the back side. I do take my little mat, this is my ironing mat that I'm using, and I stick that in there. I don't have to put the parchment paper back on it. I'm literally just gonna heat right here and do it again. All right. Oh, it feels so good. That's how you know it's ready. So when you feel it, there's no tacky at all. You can't even tell where the design is, pretty much. Look how cute, you guys. Who's ready to go travel?